If you are working under a company and you are getting paid 1 lakh rupees per month, but have you ever wondered that how much money is your company making out of you? Whatever the amount they are paying you, they must be making a lot more than that from you. While working in a company or a firm, have you ever thought that once you retire, what are you gonna leave behind? A job title? Or you want to leave a lasting legacy? Have you ever wondered that by working under a company, you are making your dreams come true or someone else's? Imagine what will happen once you leave your job. You quit. Have you thought? How will you take care of your financial situation then? If even one of those things or questions that I asked made you think about your job or your work, keep watching. This video is just for you and this might even change your life. Well, before starting, let me give you a warning that this video is not for those people who are happily enjoying their 9-to-5 job and who want to be stuck in a rat trap. But if you ever thought of controlling your own life, taking the hold of your own life and your financial situation and always wanted to break free from the 9-to-5 job, keep watching. Let me share some factors with you that will make you think and reconsider working under 9-to-5 job. Well, starting with the first factor. Factor number 1, income. The most important factor. Now, do you get the 100% of whatever efforts you are putting in form of money? So, whenever a company is giving you a good salary, if you know, then it's good. But if you don't know, let me tell you, they are making much more than whatever they're paying you with your efforts. Now, imagine if you put the efforts alone on yourself and decide to take the control of all your efforts and your hard work in form of money and owning it 100%. You will earn so much more. To make you understand better, let me share a real life story with you. Of course, you know Vinita Singh, the owner of Sugar Cosmetics. Well, Vinita Singh, an IIM Ahmedabad graduate, had a 1 crore per year job offer, but she rejected it. Do you know why? Because she realized that if someone was willing to pay her that much, she was worth even more. She started Sugar Cosmetics from scratch with no VC funding initially, building the brand herself. Today, Sugar is a 5,000 plus crore brand. If she would have taken that 1 crore job, she would have earned just 10 crores in 10 years. But as an entrepreneur, she built 500 times more wealth. So it's very simple. A job pays you for today, but a business pays you for lifetime. A job will take care of your financial situation currently, but a business will give you the authority to take the ownership of your financial situation forever, for the lifetime, if you work hard and make your business work. Well, factor number 2, identity. The power of your name. As an employee under a company, your name, your identity is under that company or a firm. The day you resign or you lose your job, your designation just disappears. But when you are a business owner, the name grows with time. The brand becomes your identity. Let me again share a real life story with you. Ritesh Agarwal, the owner of OYO. He started with nothing. Today, he is a global name in hospitality. Imagine if he had joined a hotel chain as an employee. He would have been just Ritesh, regional manager at XYZ Hotels. But today, he is Ritesh Agarwal, founder of a 70,000 crore company. His identity is permanent. Your job builds the company's brand, but your business builds your own brand. Well, the lesson here is an employee's name is temporary, but an entrepreneur's identity is permanent. Factor number 3, legacy. Your family's future. So if an employee is working under a company, he'll get the salary, he'll pay the rent, he'll pay the EMIs, food, transportation, and the salary would be just enough for a month. But as a businessman, you will work for your next generations and you will secure your upcoming generations financially. When you retire from a job, your income stops. But when a business owner retires, the next generations take over. And this is how it works. Now let me tell you again a real life story. Ambani versus the chart seller. The Ambani family built Reliance over decades. Today, Mukesh Ambani's children don't need to find jobs at all. They already have much more than their necessity. They are managing a 17,000 lakh crore empire. But let's talk about a simple man, a chart seller in Delhi. He started with a small roadside stall, earning 1,000 rupees per day. Over 10 years, he expanded to multiple outlets and now earns 5 lakh rupees month. When his son takes over, he is not starting from scratch. He is inheriting an established, profitable business. So isn't it simple? So if you're working under a job, you're just fulfilling your current desires. But if you start a business, even from scratch, definitely with time, you'll make it profitable and successful, and you'll pass it on to your future generations. Well, the lesson here, your job will help you give your children education, but your business will help you give your children the wealth. Factor number 4, passive income. Earn without working. As an employee, when you stop working or you lose your job, stop getting money as your salary and you're penniless. But as a business, even after you retire, the money will keep on growing, even when you're doing nothing and chilling at your home. Well, the real life story here is about restaurant owner versus high salary employee. Imagine a senior IT employee earning 50 lakh rupees per year. He works 30 years and retires. What happens next? No salary. He has to survive on savings. Now imagine a man who opens a small South Indian restaurant. For the first few years, he works hard. But after a decade, he hires a manager and chefs. He steps back, but the restaurant keeps on growing and making 3 lakh rupees per month for him. Well, the lesson here, job makes you money only when you're working, but a business will help you make money even when you retire or you stop working. Now, factor number 5, value creation. Your business can be sold for crores. So when an employee quits, he gets a goodbye email or a farewell cake. But when an entrepreneur quits, a businessman quits, he gets millions. Let me tell you a real life story about a journey from a small shop to crores. A Bangalore-based cloud kitchen startup started with a few lakhs, was recently sold for 350 crore rupees. But why? Because businesses have value. Jobs doesn't. If you quit your job, your company doesn't pay you crores to leave. But if you exit a business, you can sell it and cash out. Now, factor number 6, job seeker versus job creator. So when you're working under a job, you're always seeking a new job or you're seeking a high salary job. But once you are a businessman, you create jobs. Let's take the real life story of Redbus founder. The founder of Redbus didn't just build a business. He created jobs for thousands of bus operators across India. Imagine if he had taken a job instead. He would have just been another employee. But because he chose not to be an employee, now he is creating jobs for thousands of bus operators. Well, the lesson here is a job will help you survive, but a business will help you make others survive. Factor number 7, replication. Grow 100x faster. In a job, you cannot multiply your work, but in a business, you can scale it infinite, as much as you want. Here, let's take Amul as a real life story. Well, Amul started as a small cooperative. Today, it's a 70,000 crore brand in over 50 countries. If Amul's founder had taken a job at a dairy company instead, none of this would have happened. So the lesson here is your job is your limit, but your business is unlimited. Well, let's move on to the last factor. Factor number 8, diversification. Explore multiple industries. So when you're doing a job, you are stuck within a one or single industry that you're working under. But once you're a businessman or you own a business, you can explore multiple fields. Now let's take a real life example of Mukesh Ambani and Virat Kohli. Mukesh Ambani started with oil. Today, Reliance is in telecom, retail, e-commerce and even entertainment. Virat Kohli started as a cricketer. Today, he owns a 15,000 plus crore business empire in fashion, fitness and food. So as they started their own business, they decided to take the ownership of their own life. Now their business covers multiple fields and sectors, giving them passive income. So the lesson here is a job will keep you under only one box, but a business will give you multiple infinite possibilities to grow yourself, to make more money and to be financially independent. Well, these were the 8 factors that I hope would have made you think twice that whether a 9 to 5 job is worth it or it is time for you to take the control of your own life, to take the control of your own financial situation and start a business right away? Well, if you think that this is the right time for you to start your own business, but you don't know how to, don't worry. We are here to help you out. Download Bosswala app now. Bosswala helps you learn practical strategies and frameworks directly from successful business owners through video courses and one-on-one video calls. Not just that, Bosswala provides you with the tools and resources required to start, operate, and grow your business. So download Bosswala app now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.
Bosswala. Be the boss.